Welcome to our Nugget Ice Maker Showdown. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular countertop nugget ice makers, the Zafro Nugget Ice Maker and the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker. Both of these machines promise to deliver delicious, chewable nugget ice for all your beverage needs. We'll dive into their specifications, features, and performance to see which one comes out on top. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about ice production capacity. The Zafro Nugget Ice Maker can produce an impressive 35.5 pounds of nugget ice in a 24-hour period, making it a great option for those who need a high volume of ice. On the other hand, the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker offers a slightly lower production capacity of 33 pounds per day. While both machines are efficient, the Zafro takes the lead in this category, making it ideal for larger gatherings or frequent use. Next, let's compare the ice making speed. The Zafro Nugget Ice Maker takes about 7 minutes to produce a batch of ice, while the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker is slightly faster, making ice in just 5 minutes. If speed is a priority for you, the Ecozy might be the better choice, as it allows you to enjoy your beverages more quickly. Finally, let's take a look at the additional features each ice maker offers. The Zafro Nugget Ice Maker includes an ice scoop and basket, making it easy to serve your ice. In contrast, the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker comes with ice bags for convenient storage and a handle for portability, which can be a significant advantage if you plan to move it around. Depending on your needs, these features could sway your decision. In conclusion, both the Zafro and Ecozy Nugget Ice Makers have their strengths and weaknesses. The Zafro excels in ice production capacity, while the Ecozy offers faster ice making and added portability. Consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing between these two fantastic machines. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.